Before you can begin preparing for the GED test, you need to know how to officially sign up for it. This lesson will walk you through the entire registration process step by step, making sure you know what to expect, what you'll need, and how to avoid delays. Getting this part right is crucial because only registered test takers can access official test dates and centers. Let's start with a question many people have. Who is eligible to take the GED? First, you need to be at least 16 years old. But keep in mind, if you're under 18, some states require extra steps, like getting parental permission or submitting school withdrawal papers. Next, you must not be currently enrolled in high school. The GED is designed for individuals who've left the traditional school system and want an alternative path to graduation. Also, if you already have a high school diploma or an equivalent, you're not eligible to take the GED. It's meant for those who haven't earned one yet. And here's an important note. Some states require you to be a resident in order to take the test there. So be prepared to show proof of residency, like a state ID or utility bill, when you register. Once you meet these basic requirements, you're ready to begin your GED journey. Let's keep going. Let's talk about how you'll actually take the GED. You have two main options, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in your comfort and performance. First, you can take the GED at a test center, offered in all states, paper or computer-based. Most centers use computer-based. Must bring valid ID on the test day. Alternatively, there's the online proctored exam, only available if you score green ready on the official GED Ready practice test. Must have a quiet, private room, a reliable computer with webcam, and a strong internet connection. Tip: if you're more comfortable in a structured setting, a test center might be the better option. But if you're tech-savvy and want to skip the travel, online testing could be more convenient. Let's walk through how you can register for the GED exam with ease. The GED registration process is done entirely online through the official GED testing platform. Here's how to register. Step 1. Create your GED account. To begin, go to the official GED testing site and select Sign Up. Enter your name, email, and password, then verify your email. Next, fill in your personal details, including your address and education history. Step 2. Select your test subjects. Now, choose whether to take all 4 GED subjects at once or schedule them individually. The 4 subjects are Reasoning through Language Arts, Mathematical Reasoning, Science, Social Studies. Tip: you can space out the tests if you're not ready to take them all at once. Step 3. Choose your testing method. You'll then be given 2 options. In person at a test center, select your nearest test location and available dates. Online proctored exam. This option is only available if you score green ready on the GED Ready practice test. You'll need a quiet room, a webcam, a microphone, and stable internet. Be aware, not all states allow online testing. Your account will tell you if you're eligible. Step 4. Pick a date and time. Next, browse the calendar of available time slots. Choose the time that works best for you, then confirm your selection. Step 5. Pay the testing fee. Each subject costs around $30 to $40, but this may vary by state. You'll pay per subject, only for what you're scheduling now. Some states also offer free or discounted GED tests, and your account will show any available options. Now that you've completed the registration process, here's what happens next. Once you're registered, you'll receive a confirmation email with all your test details. If needed, you can reschedule or cancel through your GED dashboard, usually up to 24 hours before your test. Be sure to carefully review the test day rules listed in your confirmation message. And if you're taking the test online, don't forget to follow the tech check instructions provided. This ensures your device meets all requirements before test day. Let's quickly go over what we've covered. To register for the GED exam, create your GED account. Choose your test subjects and preferred testing method. Pick a date and time that works for you. Pay for the test. Then, check your confirmation and follow any prep instructions provided. By following this process carefully, you'll avoid delays and be ready to move forward in your GED journey with confidence.